How Saskatchewan river flows, born from glaciers, gentle streams. Through Saskatoon, lights now shine, softly glowing on both sides. Walking down Spadina Crescent, friends together, hearts so sweet, kids laughing on the green, quiet cars drift down the street. On the river's soft moonlight, a sea-doo rides across the night. At the ice cream shop nearby, long lines wait, soft voices cheer. Walking down Spadina Crescent,